Matron, take them away.
Okay guys, we're going to go into market and do a quick scalp on FTSE. We don't need to do a great deal this morning. Kind of looking for it to pull back on itself a little bit. So I'll just kind of wait. Let me just pull up the FTSE sheet rather. Trading journals still moving up, so it's just a little bit of waiting at this moment in time. Just pull this into shot so we can see. It's kind of up here roughly where I want it to be. Now I only have to do 92p. I'll come onto this sheet in a moment, and I've already worked out what I'm looking to do with it. Okay. So what we're looking for is sells, 7 pips. Now, the problem with this is it's kind of over leveraged. All right, I'm going to drop an order in underneath the current swing of that candle. Just pull it down onto there, place the order. Right, let me kind of explain what I'm doing. As soon as that goes beyond a quid, I'm quite happy. Just going to drop that up to there. When we're talking about over leveraging, the account balance of this is quite small. In fact, it's really small. It's only a couple of £100, but the minimum value you can have on this particular web trader is 50p a point. Now, the problem with that is it's too much. So you've got to be in and out quick. And as soon as you're done with the trade, just walk away. Still got a little bit of time. So I'll kind of explain this a little bit to you. So what we're doing. So it's the 16th. We've got an account balance 235. My day allowance is 5%. Day allowance, not allowance per trade. And it's running at 50p. Now, at the moment, we will be going short on this. And it's actually a continuation of a short move. Okay. So just drop that into there as well. All right, so that's roughly what the premise is. If I lose, I'll change and fill that in. It's pushing up, which is what I want, but I want the price to come to me, so I'm just going to follow the price up at this moment in time. So what we can see, I've grown this account by 8% since we started this beginning of the month. We're currently on the 16th, so it's not bad. And I want a 10% growth across the month. Now, I go away on holiday on Thursday. And then I'm going to be out the loop for a little while. I kind of step back a little bit from public life anyway, but I'm in the squad every day. So what are we doing? So I'm almost at target. Okay, so I'm not going to jinx it, and I'm not going to sort of curse it. So that's that bit. Now it tells me how many pips I needed for the month. I can only do one split because my bid size is 22p, but I'm trading at 50p. A bid size is the same as a position size. It's just a different terminology in spread betting. What I have to do is wait for this to catch up to that before I can start increasing the position size. Okay, but at the moment, everything's doing quite well. I know what my stops are, so if it goes wrong, it's 22 pips is the maximum stop I can put in. And that's as much as this account can bear on a single day. Right, so that's what I've done. I then work out what I need for direction, which you've already seen, which is a sell, and it is coming up into the area I'm after. Now, a good way to do this is step this back, and you can go, right, there's the last move. Where's an optimum point? You can even step it further back into anchor charts and go, okay, this is the last move. Where would it pull back to before it bounces down? Well, that's very simple. What you would do is this. You would grab that from there to there, and you just drop a little line in, just like so. So it's possibly here. But that's based off the overall big move, but you've also got this one here. So if I drill it into a 15-minute, just so I can see what's been going on, there's a lot of red in this. There's a high probability this is going to push down, but we want to get to a nice area where the market has been. So we'll go up, just pull that to there, and again, we can start dropping in a couple of levels. So there's one, oops, sorry, there's one there, another one there, and then run that up to the 50%, which is there. Okay, so that's all nice and easy. Take it into 5 minutes. All right, there we go. So all I need is to start moving these up. So, whoops, a little bit close to market. So just edge that up, because it looks like it's getting ready to drop down into trade. I'm going to target the base of here. Get me about 330, which is 3 times more than what I'm after. And that's all I'm attempting to do. I just want to come into market, grab it, and walk away. I've already done it this morning on the bull account. Now, let me just pull that up. Okay. There we go. There's the black bull account. There is a difference. This is a hedge account, so I can go both ways on it. I've done 12.19 this morning off small balances, and it's put that balance to 58372. This account is rocking away. It's doing really well. I'm really pleased with it. It's now bearing the fruits of what we're after. Right, we've gone into market. Now we'll just get in and get out, and that'll be it. Job done. I'm expecting it. I just want a quick slam on this. So an easy way to do it, just put that over there, drop that, and then have your deal ticket waiting. So it'll either close out, hit the target, or if you see it go past the pound, just pull the trigger. Just go bang, out. And that's it. So dead simple. So let's have a coffee, see if it's going to hit it. Oh, it was almost there at that point. Almost. Come on, down you come. Try and get it down into, what's that? It's 90p. Right, it's ready. So we'll just go again. But this time I'm just going to enter the market straight away because it was slightly lower than what I wanted. Do the same thing. Hit the close because we did 90p. I want 92. Didn't quite catch it. It's not really a problem. Move that down onto there. Let it do it itself. Go on, down you come. Here it comes. Bing, bang, boo. There we go. Job's done. So, what's that done? That's done £2.15 on a 90 and a 125. Doesn't sound much, and trust me, there will be those who kick it in. They do. The second these videos go up, within 30 seconds of it starting, they are downvoted. So it's clearly by somebody who doesn't watch the video or understand what's going on. So there we are. So I was right to be in and out quick. It's moved up the trade. We almost at target now. We are done for the day. That's it. You don't have to swing at the fences if you're working on monetary targets. They're different. There's a big difference between monetary targets and pip targets. Swing for the fences, you're going to get hurt. You scalp like this, and if you're at it all day, you're going to get hurt. But if you look to just get in, get out, and be done, you will grow your account substantially. I can show you different accounts, but I don't want to be boastful. I just want you to see a process. And this is my process. I know what I need to do. I get in, I get out, I walk away. And then I've got the one thing that I really require, which is time. I might be a monetary millionaire, but I'm a time millionaire. I do what I want when I want. Hence why I'm going away on holiday again this week. I'll go away every 7 or 8 weeks. I'll burn out and I'll just go away for a week because I can. I can even do this while I'm away. So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love and the money will follow. See you on the next one.